Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, damn, I actually look good today? But the moment someone takes a random photo of you, you look at it and think, bro, how did I ever believe I was attractive? What is this? Same face, same lighting, same you. Yet somehow the mirror says attractive and the camera says, who even is that? And here's the crazy part, both of them are lying to you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the real reason you look good in the mirror and terrible in photos. A reason nobody ever told you. A reason that will completely change how you see your own face forever. So stay with me, because once you understand this, you'll never look at a mirror or a camera the same way again. You've never actually seen your real face. Not once. Not in the mirror. Not in selfies. Not even with the newest, most expensive phone camera. And to understand why, we need to expose 3 lies you've believed your entire life. 3 lies that completely manipulate how you think you look. And trust me, the third one is the most painful. Lie number 1. Your camera doesn't capture your face, it reconstructs it. We imagine cameras show reality, but modern cameras don't show reality, they manufacture it. The moment you take a picture, your phone starts rewriting your appearance, sharpening your pores, brightening your eyes, smoothing your skin, boosting shadows, changing color, texture, and tone. That image you see, it's not raw, it's not untouched, it's not even accurate. It's a version your phone thinks looks better, and every brand lies differently. Samsung sharpens you, iPhone warms your skin tone, Pixel boosts contrast, OnePlus adds clarity, meaning you don't have one face, you have a different face on every device. But this isn't the worst part, because lie number 2 is the one you've believed since childhood. Lie number 2. The mirror has never shown you your real face either. People trust mirrors more than cameras, but mirrors are just as fake, sometimes worse. Think about it. Cheap mirrors bend slightly. Gym mirrors are stretched. Clothing stores use slimming mirrors. Even temperature can warp a mirror without you noticing. And then there's the real problem. Mirrors flip your face. Every day you see a reversed version of yourself, a version that doesn't exist in real life. So when a camera finally shows you your real face, your brain rejects it. It looks wrong, unfamiliar, ugly. Not because you're unattractive, but because your brain hates what it's not used to. Remember this, you don't think you're ugly, you think you're unfamiliar. And lie number 3 explains why you can look amazing one minute and terrible the next. Lie number 3, lighting controls your beauty more than your actual face. Lighting can turn anyone into a 10 out of 10 or drop them to a 4 instantly. Your mirror at home uses soft, even lighting, smooth, flattering, but the real world? Harsh sunlight shows every texture. Overhead light creates eye bags. Random shadows kill your jawline. Your face didn't change, the lighting did. This is why you can leave your house feeling confident, then see a random photo and think, what happened to me? And now we reach the real question. If cameras lie, and mirrors lie, and lighting lies, how do you know what you actually look like? The truth? You can't. Not 100%. Not with any technology on Earth. But there is a way to see the closest version possible. A method that gives you a look that's about 90% accurate. The closest you will ever get to your real appearance. And once you learn it, you'll finally understand why you look different in every photo, every mirror, every angle. But before we continue, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button and join the family. Trust me, you won't regret it. Here's what you do. Step 1. Use the front camera. It's designed for close distance faces with less distortion and more natural proportions. Step 2. Fully extend your arm. Too close equals bigger nose, smaller jawline, warped proportions. Distance brings your face closer to how people actually see you. Step 3. Shoot in soft, diffused light. Not sunlight, not bathroom lights, not overhead lighting. Use evening light, cloudy weather, a window with soft light, shade outdoors. This lighting gives real shadows, real proportions, real color, without exposing every tiny flaw. And then turn everything off. No filters, no AI, no HDR, no beauty mode, no portrait mode. Just you, natural light, and the right distance. The result? The closest thing to your true appearance. About 90% accurate, because 100% impossible. Even your brain edits your face without you realizing. For the first time, you'll see a version of yourself that isn't flipped, distorted, or algorithm controlled. But remember, my friend, the most important thing isn't how you look in photos, it's how you look in real life. And there are 7 destructive habits that silently ruin your facial attractiveness every single day. I explained all of them in detail in the next video, and exactly how to avoid them for a cleaner, sharper, more attractive face. Follow what I teach there, and I promise, your face will look good no matter what your camera or mirror says. Enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about.